at you, counting breaths like corn, spending hope just to make some noise. Clenched teeth, shaking hands, still pretending this was your